Okay, this thing finally finished. Let's see if I can put some light in here. You can see it cut it pretty good. Because it's plastic, the flash is going to be there, but it's very strong, and I'll just, with a knife, I'll cut the flash. But I'm very satisfied with the result. So what I'm going to do is I cut two of this. I'll show you in the light. So two small ones and two big ones. So I'm going to use Gorilla Glue to put them together and, you know, align them properly. So I have the small gear and the bigger gear ready to put it on the Z-axis. So I guess I'll glue it and I'll figure out a way to attach it to the handle, and see you next time. Okay, what I want to show you here is this is the sacrificial board. So when I remove this thing out of the thing, look, this is what happened. I'm trying to hold the light, but okay, let's see. There you go. Look at the side. It's nice. It's got some flash, but it's strong. I'll show you in a better lighting. Okay, so let me show you here in a minute. Right here in my table. As you can see, it's pretty hard to see. It seems like it's a messy job, but it's just the flash. When I clean the flash, it's gonna be nice looking, but this is gonna be very strong. Hopefully it's strong enough for the thing. Anyway, the Z-axis is not gonna move much for some jobs, so this is how it looks. So what I'm gonna do is I printed two of this, or cut two of this. I'm gonna join them together, and then like that. So, all right. See you next time.